$3,000 a month. That's the number we are chasing in this video. And I'm going to show you exactly how people are doing it by selling AI generated content. But before you get excited, I'm not going to promise you will hit that number in your first month. What I'm going to give you is the actual breakdown. Which AI content sells, where to sell it, and the real math behind getting to $3,000. First, let's kill the myth. Nobody is making 3000 a month by typing one prompt into Midjourney and uploading it somewhere else. That's not how this works. What actually works is getting AI as a production tool, not a money printer. The people genuinely earning real income are doing three things differently than everyone else. Number one, they pick one niche and go deep, not wide. Number two, they build a system, not a one-off product. Number three, they sell to specific buyers, not the internet in general. So in this video, I am breaking down three real paths: AI images, AI video, and AI writing, and showing you the actual math behind reaching $3,000 a month with each one. Path 1: AI print on demand and stock content. Path 1 is AI generated visual content. Think t-shirt design, wall art, planner templates, and stock photos. Here is the realistic math. A single design on a print on demand platform might earn you $2 to $5 profit per sale. To hit $3,000 per month, you would need roughly 600 to 1500 sales a month, which sounds like a lot until you realize successful sellers do not sell one design. They have catalogs of 200, 500, even 1000 designs working simultaneously. The strategy that actually works: pick a micro niche, not cute animals, but minimalist line art for golden retriever owners. Use AI to generate dozens of variations fast, then handpick the best 10%. Upload consistently. 5 to 10 new designs a week compounds over months. This is a volume game. Your income is not from one viral design. It is from hundreds of mediocre ones quietly selling in the background. The biggest mistake people make here is generating 10 designs, uploading them, and giving up after 2 weeks because nothing sold. This model needs months of consistent uploading before the math works in your favor. Part 2: AI video content. Part 2 is faceless AI video content. Think AI voiceovers over stock footage, or fully AI generated explainer videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. The monetization here is not direct sale. It's ad revenue plus brand deals, and it scales differently. YouTube ad revenue from shorts is famously low, often $0.01 to $0.05 per 100,000 views. To make meaningful money, you need either massive views counts or you pivot to long form content with mid-roll ads. A more realistic and faster path: use AI to mass produce content for a niche channel, then monetize through affiliate links or your own digital products, not just ad revenue. The actual workflow: pick a topic, people search for answer to facts, stories, how things work. Script with AI, voice with AI like 11 Labs style tools, edit with templates, publish daily. Consistency matters more than perfection in this format. Once you have an audience, monetize through affiliate products or your own offer, not just at pennies. This path takes longer to pay off than the print on demand route, but it scales higher long term because you are building an audience, not just a product catalog. Path 3, AI writing and digital products. Path 3 is AI assisted writing, ebooks, workbooks, templates, and niche guides sold on platforms like Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or Etsy. This is honestly the most realistic path to 3K for most beginners because digital products have no manufacturing cost and you can sell the product infinitely. The math, if you sell a $15 workbook or guide, you need 200 sales a month to hit $3,000. That's about 7 sales a day. Very achievable with the right product in the right niche. Important, AI writes the first draft, you do the real work. Heavy editing for accuracy and voice, original formatting, design and structure, picking a niche with actual buyer intent, wedding planning checklist, sells better than inspirational quotes. The winning formula here is solve a specific annoying problem for a specific person. Budget template for new parents beats general budgeting ebook every time because you can market it directly to a community that's already looking for that exact thing. What actually determines whether you hit 3K? Across all three paths, here is what separates people who hit 3K months from people who give up at 30. 1. Niche specificity. The broader your content, the more competition and the lower your conversion. Narrow niches with smaller but hungrier audience win. Number 2, volume and consistency over months, not weeks. Almost nobody hits meaningful income in 1 month. The people earning 3K now were posting consistently for 4 to 6 months before it took off. 3. You still have to market. AI generates the products, it doesn't generate customers. You need to be active on Pinterest, TikTok, Reddit communities, or wherever your buyers already are. 4. Quality control matters more as AI content flood the market. Raw, unedited AI output is getting harder to sell as buyers get pickier. The winners are the ones who use AI as a first draft, then add a real human layer for editing, curation, and design on top. So, is $3,000 per month realistic? Yes, for some people, with the right niche, consistent output, and real marketing effort over several months. Is it guaranteed or fast? No. Anyone telling you otherwise is selling you a course, not a strategy.